Wi-Fi woes: how to survive public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in cafes and airports, are convenient but come with risks. Let's learn how to avoid the Wi-Fi traps with a touch of humor.
Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, making them a prime target for cybercriminals. Risks include eavesdropping, fake hotspots, and man-in-the-middle attacks. Let's break it down with some laughs.
I always connect to free Wi-Fi. Is it really that dangerous?
Yes, it can be. Imagine a cyber criminal in a trench coat trying to read your emails. Not so funny, huh?
Always verify the network name with the establishment before connecting. Cybercriminals often set up fake hotspots with names similar to legitimate ones to trick you. Don't fall for it.
Hey, what's the Wi-Fi? Thank you.
Using a virtual private network, VPN, is one of the best ways to stay safe on public Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for attackers to intercept your data. It's like a superhero for your online activities. Turn off automatic connections to open Wi-Fi networks on your devices. You never know what network your device might latch onto. Avoiding automatic connections can save you from unexpected surprises.
Turning off automatic connections is easy and keeps me safe from rogue networks.
Yes. Imagine your device connecting to free public Wi-Fi. That's actually a hacker's trap.
Remember, staying safe on public Wi-Fi is a shared responsibility. By following these best practices, you can help protect yourself and our organization from cyber threats. And have a laugh while you're at it.
Stay safe on public Wi-Fi.